Oh my golly gosh. Okay, it's getting close to Christmas now. It's a week tomorrow. So today I am sewing up presents. I have got Stephen's present to make. I'm going to make sure he doesn't watch Vlogmas anymore because, well, I don't think he does. I don't think he does. That's the dogs. They've just been let out to bark at a squirrel. Yeah, I don't think he watched it, so I can make his present. And I'm doing my Secret Santa first actually, to send that off today, and then making little presents for all the girls in the family. I think guys are just getting shop bought items this year because I just don't want to give myself too much to do, and I'm hoping today and tomorrow I can get all of the making bits done. So yes, that's what I'm going to do. And we are going to decorate the tree today, I promise. So yeah, I will see you later. Enjoy! Okay guys, I'm about to get Stephen up because he's fallen asleep in front of the TV, but I've done his clue. And I'm not going to blow my own trumpet, but I think it's really good. Which means that you're all going to be really confused, including Stephen. What day is it today?
I think today is the 17th. Yeah. Is correct? Good. I don't genuinely know.
It is the 17th.
Okay.
I keep on top of this because of Vlogmas, otherwise I would not know what day it is either. I don't know what day of the week it is. Monday. It's a Monday.
A long one.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, read it out nice and loud.
Alright, get ready guys. This is going to rival the Da Vinci Code. George, Ringo, Paul and... Sorry, shall I say this in a Scouse accent?
Go on then.
Go over it. Do you want it?
You go.
George, Ringo, Paul and John famed with such a name. But let's not. Oh, but let's focus. Gabby's crossed out not focus.
Sorry.
So let's focus on the where, not the what, before we give away the game. You might want to venture further afield this time, but there's no need to rush. It's very close indeed, and in rhyme. Don't forget your toothbrush.
Do you like that?
I do. Now I've got to read it again and actually understand it. I was too busy focusing on the accent. George, Ringo, Paul and John were famed with such a name. Beatles. Oh, I've got an inkling what this might be. But let's focus on the where, not the what. Before we give away the game, you might want to venture further. Is it in the bathroom near the toothbrushes?
I mean, we've got so little choices. But I thought...
hello, Judy.
Oh, well, what are you doing in our bathroom? Night, Mummy! Night, Dad!
It's not on my toothbrush. Is it under here? Oh, is this it? Awesome. I know exactly what it is. Do you know what's weird about this?
Go on.
I've been on the guy's website today looking at
Oh, no way!
Yeah, so Gabby and I went to... Oh, wow. Gabby and I went to a wonderful craft fair called Crafty Fox. Our friend Kat Flynn was selling stuff there.
Yeah.
And very near to her stall was this guy. I hope I pronounced his name right. Apologies if not. Sato Hiseo. And randomly he makes these beautiful books as well, which are like pop-out, movable 3D models, which I love stuff like that. And then he makes these bugs in display jars out of paper, and this is absolutely beautiful, darling.
Is it nice?
Oh my goodness, and it's old recycled books.
Yeah.
And I think
I
think mine's got the word bastard written.
Don't swear on Vlogmas.
Sorry.
No, don't I, no, I'm joking.
Look at that.
Okay, wait, I'm focusing. Yeah, there we go.
That's
Really
awesome.
cool, isn't it?
I kind of really love it, but look at that.
Well, so
It's
Stephen was looking at that
stunning.
for quite a while, and then when we went our separate ways in the fair, I ran round and got you one.
I love it so much. That's awesome.
Yeah.
And it's just made out of paper. It's just a cut-out paper
Yeah,
3D
it's
model.
really cool, isn't
It's
it?
genius.
Aww.
Beautiful. Thank you very much.
That's okay, my love.
Yeah, and I've already added his books to my wish list on my Amazon.
Oh, perfect.
So yeah, but then I'll try and find them somewhere else. But he makes loads of other cool stuff as well. I've been looking through all. I think he designed stuff for Muji.
Oh.
Anyway, that's a lot of information about a bug in a jar.
Happy day 17.
Very good. Thank you. Good clue as well. What did it have? Oh, Beatles. Right.
And good
Yeah, I
night
was
to
literally
Mr.
looking at all
Hobbs.
this stuff
He
today.
looks very worried.
It's not
There
worried,
he
he's
is.
just intrigued.
I know. Good night, Mr. Hobbs. No, he just wants to know where Stephen is. Oh.
Bedtime.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Oh, night night, boys.
Are under huge pressure. There is a real danger that we could see this amazing cat go extinct.
Bandhavgarh is home to over 80 tigers, but as director Theo Webb discovers, they're not easy to find.
Okay, everyone, time for the doggy advent calendar, and it's just me again, because they're watching something on telly again. And Hobbles, it's day 17. Are you ready, little one? Oh, yes, you are. Shake and tick. And then Ticks, your turn to come up. Come up. Come up. Come on, you gotta come up. Come on. Come on, good girl. Good girl, little one. Yay. Now go and have it on the floor. Don't have it on the sofa. Alright everyone, I hope you had a nice day with us. Yes, we didn't decorate the tree, but we promised we're doing it tomorrow. We just keep running out of time and doing other things, and we had to wait for lights, and oh, it's all very boring. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow. Lots of love. Bye!